If you're accessing Google Classroom on a phone or tablet, we recommend first downloading the 4 apps you can see on the screen: Google Classroom, Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Slides. If you're signing into the Google Classroom app for the first time, you'll be asked to enter your Google Classroom email address and your Glow password. You will then be redirected to Glow to enter your Glow email address and again your Glow password. This will get you signed in to Google Classroom. Once you're signed in, you'll see a screen like this. Some of your classes may be grey and there will be a blue button you'll need to click to accept being a member of each of the classes. To get an overview of the work you have been set, under each of the classes you will see there is the word training diary or sports report. This shows that this class has an assignment set for you. If you would like to view that assignment, you can click on training diary and it will take you to the instructions of this task. If you open up a classroom, this will be the view you will get, which is called the stream. Here you will see posts from the teachers with instructions or asking you to complete work, and you will see assignments. Assignments will have a blue circle with a clipboard inside it. The circle may be different colours depending on which class you're in, but it will be a circle with a clipboard. This shows that this is assignment. To look at the assignment, tap on the assignment and you'll be taken to a screen where you will see some instructions. To view any attachments on the assignment the teacher has set, press on the arrow at the bottom of the screen, and this will show you any attachments that the teacher has created for you to look at. In this assignment, I have been asked to view the attachment, which I can do by clicking on this, and it will open on my phone and I can read through what I have been sent. I have been also asked to complete a task. To do this, I click Add Attachment and I can add a Google Docs, a Google Slides, or I can add a picture from my phone. For this assignment, I've been asked to add a Google Slides. This is automatically opened for me and now I can complete my work. To add a new slide, tap the button in the bottom right corner of the screen and select the style you would like. To type, double tap in any of the boxes and the keypad will open. Remember to double tap in a text box if you want to write something. When you are finished, you can push the tick in the top left corner of the screen. Your work will automatically saved. You then want to return to the classroom. To do this, double tap on the home button and then go back to the classroom. You will see that your PowerPoint has been added to your work. If you would like to add a picture or video to your work, click Add Attachment and then you can click Pick Photo. This will automatically go to your camera roll and you can add a picture or a video which you have taken of your work. If you would like to ask your teacher for help, on the bottom of the screen you can tap under Private Comments. This will send a message directly to your teacher and you can ask for some help in completing the task. Once you are ready to submit your work to the teacher, click on the blue Hand In button and then again it shows that I am sending 2 attachments and then I again click on Hand In. This screen shows that I have submitted my work to the teacher for them to mark and give me some feedback.